Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss. The 10 foods you should never eat after the age of 50 if you want better health. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Processed meats. Say goodbye to hot dogs and sausages and opt for lean cuts of organic grass-fed meats instead. Number 2. Sugary drinks. Swap out those sugary sodas for refreshing infused water or herbal teas. Number 3. White bread. Replace that white bread with whole grain options like whole wheat or rye bread. Number 4. Fried foods. It's time to say no to deep-fried goodies and choose baked or grilled alternatives. Number 5. Artificial sweeteners. Steer clear of those artificial sweeteners and go for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Number 6. High-sodium foods. Cut down on your sodium intake by choosing low-sodium options or using herbs and spices to flavor your meals. Number 7. Trans fats. Avoid foods with trans fats and opt for healthier fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Number 8. Canned soups. Skip the canned soups loaded with preservatives and make your own homemade soups with fresh ingredients. Number 9. Excessive alcohol. Limit your alcohol consumption and opt for moderation, or choose non-alcoholic alternatives. Number 10. Processed snacks. Ditch those processed snacks and reach for fresh fruits, vegetables, or homemade trail mix. Remember, these are just suggestions to improve your health. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Stay tuned for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.